Kindle Outdoor Shot Bag, Kindle Overlay Text. Thousands of books in your pocket. In this video, we'll show you what Kindle is and why it is still the best e-reader in 2025. Let's get started. First up, what is Kindle? Well, it is a lightweight digital reading device by Amazon that lets you carry thousands of books in your pocket, read without eye strain, and enjoy long battery life. It's not just a screen. It's like holding real paper. So why is Kindle the best e-reader in 2025? Well, there are 4 reasons. Number 1, variety of Kindle models to choose from. Whether you're a casual reader or a bookworm, there's a Kindle for everyone. For example, the basic Kindle is perfect for those just starting out with ebooks. It's affordable, compact, and has all the features you need for a great reading experience. On the other hand, if you're a serious reader, you might want to consider the Kindle Oasis. It's got a larger screen, better resolution, and ergonomic design that makes it more comfortable to hold for extended periods. Plus, it's waterproof, so you can read worry-free at the beach or by the pool. And for those who love audiobooks, the Kindle Paperwhite Signature Edition comes with a built-in audio player and Bluetooth connectivity, so you can listen to audiobooks while on the go. Number 2, vast selection of books and other reading materials. With Kindle, you have access to a massive library of over 1 million titles. You can find the latest bestsellers or discover hidden gems from years past. And it's not just books. Kindle also offers a variety of magazines, newspapers, and other reading materials. The Kindle store is available 24/7, so you can browse and download new titles whenever you like. And with the Kindle app for iOS and Android, you can even preview a book before buying it. Number 3, user-friendly interface and features. Kindle's user-friendly interface makes it easy to find and download new books, adjust the text size and brightness, and even translate words or phrases with the built-in dictionary. It also supports multiple languages, so you can switch between them effortlessly. And with the Goodreads app, you can connect with other readers, write reviews, and join book clubs. Number 4, affordable price and good value. Kindle is a cost-effective way to enjoy reading with prices starting at under $50. When compared to traditional books, Kindle offers a cheaper alternative without compromising on quality. Plus, you can buy used Kindles or refurbished models to save even more money. And with its long battery life, you won't have to worry about constantly charging it, making it a great value for the price. And there you have it, folks. Those are just a few reasons why Kindle is still the best e-reader in 2025. Whether you are a book lover or just looking for a convenient way to read, Kindle has something for everyone. So why wait? Start your Kindle journey today and discover a world of literary possibilities at your fingertips. Thanks for watching.